Hey guys, I hope you are having a really good Wednesday morning, and I hope if you are going to the concert tonight that y'all are really excited. My office is just right across from the stadium, so I hear them already getting ready, and someone has started doing a sound check, and the sound is good. It's super loud. So if you overhear some of that, I do, well, no, I don't really apologize for that because it's just really exciting seeing them come up and get ready for that tonight. So I'm going. So, I may run into you, and if I wave to you, just, be cool about that and wave back at me. So yeah, okay. Anyways, I've had a couple of questions from y'all about having trouble trying to go back and add another post to your blog. Some of you have sent me emails or you've called and questioned about you have already submitted your blog into Blackboard, like with your first picture book, and you're wanting to go back and put in your second book, but you're going to Blackboard and it's not letting you do that. And that's what it's supposed to do. What you're wanting to do is you need to go back to the site that you used to create your blog. I know a lot of you are using Blogger, and that's what I had up, so that's what I have pulled up right now. So I'm just going to go back to Blogger. What you want to do is sign in to whatever site that you used to create your blog. So I'm going to sign in really quickly and pop in my password. Okay. Okay, so here we go. This is what it should look like. As you can see, that was the name that I gave my blog, was Memos with Meredith. You can still see that I have my original one there. When all seems lost, well, that's what it looks like. Let me go back and we can view it. Okay, that's what I showed you guys in class. Okay, what you want to do, so that was my first picture book. If you're ready to add your second picture book, or maybe you've already done your two picture books and you're ready to go on to multicultural or whatever, okay? What you want to do is you want a new post, okay? You don't want to come under here and do a new blog. That's not what we're doing. You want a new post. So if you're on Blogger, it's just located right here. If you're using another blog site, I'm sure somewhere it says new post. So all you're going to do is click new post. You're going to title it, and so it might be whatever your book is. This is the house that Jack built, or whatever picture book or whatever book you're on, depending what genre it is. And then you're just going to start typing the format like your other one is, and you're going to start, with the plot or the summary, just however I asked you to do that, and then follow up with the cover of the book down there. And then you will just save it, and then publish that, and then it's going to pop up down there just like that, okay? And so when you're done, totally done, you're going to have 18 of these show up underneath your blog, whatever you titled that, which mine was Memos with Meredith. So whatever you titled your blog, you will have 18 titles listed under there, okay? I hope that made sense to you. So every time you add a book, come back to your blog site, whatever it is. You will not go back to Blackboard and resubmit. The first time you submit to Blackboard, that's it. You will not resubmit to Blackboard anymore, because it will keep up. Once you keep adding to your blog, that link will keep up with itself. So when I keep clicking on that, it's just going to keep up every time that you add to it. After October 1st, once everyone has submitted, I will just show y'all right quick what I will do with these. Yes, here it is, Symbaloo. Okay. For those of you who aren't familiar with Symbaloo, this is Symbaloo, and this is what I have pulled up. Symbaloo kind of keeps all my websites that I go to very frequently together. So I don't have to go up in my browser and type in www.quizlet or Padlet or Nearpod, Kahoot, Remind, Facebook, Instagram, you know, I don't have to waste my time doing that. I just keep this up, and if I want to go to Quizlet, boop, I pop, you know, there it is, and I'm at Quizlet. You know, if I want to go to Pandora and listen to my music, there it is. So it's taking some time to load. You know, if I want to go to my Google Drive, there it is. So that's what Symbaloo does. It just kind of keeps everything in these nice, neat little tiles for me, and I don't have to remember websites. It just goes really quick. So I've already created a board for our stuff. And once everybody submits their links to me, I'm going to be popping them in these tiles, okay? And my friend, we were already testing this. So she popped hers in for me, and I'm able to see her stuff. So once you guys send those in, I will be putting them in these, and then you will be able to click on everybody's, and that's how you will comment on everybody's post or everybody's blog. So I hope that makes a little more sense, and we'll talk about that more in class later. So if you have any questions about that or need any help, please call or email me, or you can come by my office. So just let me know if you need any help, and I hope you guys have a good rest of the day, and I will see y'all next week. Bye.